channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove highlight colors in Microsoft Word. Want to remove highlight colors from text in Microsoft Word, whether it's a highlighted sentence or a background color. I'll show you how to remove it in just a few seconds. So let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to select the highlighted text. Now I'm gonna write a text so I can select it. I'm just gonna write random letters and then I'm gonna select them and I'm gonna highlight them by going to home and clicking on the highlight text highlighting colors. For example, I'm gonna choose the red color and I'm gonna select this text and then I'm gonna click on the highlighting icon. Now to remove this highlighting, I'm just gonna select again the text and click on the same option and click no color. The second step is to remove the background color for the page, all the page if applied. Now select the text or the entire document and go to design. For example, I'm going to select this text and then I'm going to go to design and then click on page color and then for example I'm going to change the page color to white or I'm in dark mode so the colors are inverted. For example, I'm going to choose black and then to delete the color I'm just going to click on page color and then I'm going to click on the option that says no color. Third step is to remove automatic formatting highlights, and to do that just click on Ctrl plus A to select all the text and click on clear all formatting button. It's the eraser icon in the home tab. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you remove highlight colors in Word. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions on this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.